Welcome to Product eClass 2023 Review. You're watching the right video if you are trying to start your first info product in 24 hours or less. Have you heard of the low-ticket product formula? Well, here's a quick summary of how well it works. Jason's first product was called How to Write an Article in 7 Minutes or Less. And it was a 7-page ebook that he sold for just $4. It was a huge success because that same product is how he earned his first $1 million. And that's how he stumbled upon the formula that he calls the low-ticket product formula. Here's what you need to know before creating your first info product. This formula focuses on 3 things. The first thing to consider when creating a low-ticket product is immediate relief. You want to create a product that offers an absolute big and quick win for someone. The second thing to consider is saving or making money. You want to create a product that provides instant improvement, even if the customer does it terribly the first time. You also want to make sure that the saving or making of money by using your product far exceeds the customer's investment. For example, in Jason's first article writing product, the customers could save 15 minutes every time they wrote an article, which could add up to hours of saved time, and potentially more money earned in that time. The third thing to consider is to make sure that the solution you offer is easy and quick to understand, and the reality is as promised. If customers can't understand the solution, or it takes them several attempts to get relief, then your product is not delivering on its promise. So, there you have it, the low-ticket product formula. When creating a product, make sure it offers immediate relief, saves or makes the customer money, and is easy to understand and offers a solution that works as promised. By following these guidelines, you can create a product that is almost impossible not to make money from. Now, if you want to discover the whole proven method that Jason is using, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.